How to get Chipotle working promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want. Now search for Chipotle promo code and press enter. Now here you're going to find different websites that is going to offer you Chipotle promo codes. You have to make sure that you only select the reliable websites. So here is one that is Coupon Follow. Click on this website. Now here you can find different promo codes. Now you can scroll down and find the promo code which is best for you. Tap on see details once you have found that, and here you can directly find the promo code. Tap on copy to copy this promo code and use it while checking out, or you can also tap on redeem at Chipotle, which is directly going to open the Chipotle website, and from there you can redeem this promo code. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.